I am in the mood for a Whopper. We'll be fighting daylight on this one. That's right, guys. Welcome back to the channel. You heard me right. I am in the mood for a Whopper. Yes, a spin-off on that, or my version of Burger King's Whopper. Mine's going to be bigger. Look at that smoke right there, right in the way. Yes, right. I'm on the grill of the Weber Kettle. Let's get over here. Yeah, I got some ground beef in there, some dry aged ground beef from Porter Road, and I've got 2 half-pound burgers. That's right. We're not dealing with those little wimpy quarter pounders that they sell over here at the restaurant, and we're just going to have to deal with the smoke. Charcoal's just got fired up. But yeah, we're going to do this a real Whopper, the way Burger King should do it. Otherwise, it's just a Whopper. So let's get going, guys. Let me show you what we got inside. Alright guys, like I said, these are some pretty healthy burgers on their own. They were pre-made by Porter Road. I think they look great for a lot of stuff I would do, but for what we're doing today, I kind of want to press them out a little thinner. So I'll put them on some parchment paper here, and we're just going to press them out a little bit flatter. It's much better, a little bit. Oh yeah. Alright guys, leave it to me not to hit record. I just seasoned one side of these burgers up with some SPG. I'd use whatever you like. I'm using the Grillaholics SPG. Great products. Link below to their website, 20% off for anything you buy there. You use promo code KEN20. Alright guys. Okay guys, we're gonna get things started here. I'm just gonna toast up. These are some sesame seeded buns. I'm just gonna get a little toast on them. Shouldn't take but just a minute. Yes, that's about perfect. Just a little bit on the edges there. Perfect. All right. Let's get these burgers on. As I hope you can see, because I am losing daylight rapidly. Get these burgers on. Burgers on. I'm going to season the other side of these. Oop, the other side. Alright guys. Be back in just a bit. There's a little plain kiss there. Look at there. He's turned over. It's looking good to me, boys and girls. We'll check back in just a few more minutes. Alright folks. It's looking so good. Alright guys, I'm gonna flip these. I think we got a little bit, oh yeah. I'm gonna move this one over indirect. Because they are such big burgers, I'm gonna check the temps on them. We got a little bit longer to go, 130, yeah. I want to get up to at least 140 or so. We'll check back here in just a minute. A little indirect cooking, just for a few minutes. Yeah, that didn't take very long. We're around 150. I'm very good with that. 155. Yeah, we're very good. Very good, guys. I'm gonna get these off of here, go make us a Whopper. Alright guys, let's build this thing. Bottom bun. Straight in with our burger. This is the way, I believe, best I can tell, that Burger King makes theirs. Got 3, maybe 4 pickles on the bottom. Come in with some ketchup. Slices of onion, however much. I don't like a whole lot of onion, but we'll go with that right there. These are so big, I'm just doing 1 tomato. I think they normally put a couple on there. There we go. And our lettuce. For our top bun, just a little mayo right on top. Right on top. These are restaurant straw fries, but they are frozen, guys. Come in there with some of those. Would you look at that? I don't know if this tastes as good. I tell you what, that's bigger than any Whopper I've ever seen. Alright, let's get a bite. I can fit this thing in.
That's a Whopper.
That's definitely a Whopper.
Yummy.
You're not gonna get this at the restaurant, guys, I promise. Make your own. Not as messy, just like a Whopper's supposed to be. I don't know if you want that likes Whoppers. I do. We get them around here occasionally just because they're quick. I can run through the drive-thru and bring them on home. I've been wanting to do this video for a while. Took advantage of a little warmer weather today. I was more worried about the timing because it was getting dark on me, as you've seen. So guys, thank you as always. It's good to get back outside. I don't know when we're gonna get to do that again. At least till spring, so we'll take advantage of them when we can. So guys, thank you as always. Hit that subscribe button for us if you haven't already. Hit the like button, that helps us out in the algorithm. And hit that bell over there, it'll notify you every time we get a new video out. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye bye.